game, and we've actually got to run. The murderer's after us. One murderer, one detective.
Fireboy!
Firecraft and Fireboy here, reporting for duty. So Firecraft is going first, which is me, and then Fireboy, my cousin.
Go get the iron! Go get the iron!
No, that's just a chunk of lag. So what the aim of this game is: one detective, one murderer. The murderers and loads of innocents. The murderer's job is to kill all the innocents and win the game. The detective's job is to kill the murderer. If the detective is killed, the bow will be dropped. So we've got to stay alive until the end of the game.
Anthony, go back. I found a really good place where you can never kill us.
No, we need to get, and also if you get.
How do we know?
Wait.
How do we know who's the murderer? You just got it.
2 gold and we get a horse. Hell yeah!
How do we know who's the murderer?
I think this thing. So guys, it's like 2.
Guys, we don't know who the murderer is. Is he the murderer? Is he the murderer? We don't know.
It could be anyone. Detective!
He's the murderer. Get the bow before he gets it. You got the bow. No, he got the bow before you did.
How? We're in the darkness, guys. Right, we're gonna crash. The bow's been dropped.
Oh, no, go. The bow's been dropped. Which means you can get the bow. You know where the bow is. It's in the
I know. Go.
Where's the bow? Oh, thanks for lying. Turn around. The bow's not there. The bow's behind you. Oh, too bad.
No, someone already picked it up, I think.
What the heck?
Oh, that's like meant to be one of those cowboy things in the cowboy movies when they have a gun shoot off. 1 minute left. 1 minute until we left, guys. No!
Oh, he had a sword! How did you not know he was the murderer?
Oh, okay, guys. Fireboy's turn here. Okay, right click to play again. Let's go into another video. This time, Fireboy's going to be talking.
What's up, guys? It's me, Fireboy. Anthony. I took over from Anthony. Anthony's not here, so let's do this. Okay.
My name's Firecraft.
Firecraft is not here. Okay, go, guys. Hi. Ow! Oh, I'm screwing. Oh, cool! Anthony, escape. Anthony, come. Come! 1 second, guys.
The murderer killed you, didn't he?
No.
He fell out the map.
Yeah.
Alright, now it's Firecraft's turn. So now, even that map, oh, we won!
I won it!
No, we won it! Look, because the murderer was killed.
I won it!
I just want to know how you could fall out of there.
Yeah.
Hey, there's another Firecraft here.
Anthony, you take over. You will by yourself. And then next video, I'm gonna be by myself. Okay, Anthony? Okay.
So guys, Fireboy had to go home for a little bit. He's on the toilet, so it's just, yeah, don't bother him. He'll punch your face off. He can do it. If he believes in himself, he can do it. Oh my god, that's the detective. Yeah, that's a really smart idea for the detective. So guys, the objective of this is just to stay alive. It could be anyone. It could be this guy. Oh, it doesn't matter. I have the biggest glitch. If I was a hacker, I would never. My Tinder's twins. Run, 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 run. Oh, he's doing the I am stone challenge. Oh, that guy just got burnt to death. Okay. Hey, we win! Let's go!
What's up, guys? It's me. Anthony had to go. I mean, Fireboy had to go. So I'm taking over. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's go. Where's the murderer? I don't know who's the murderer. Oh! Somebody just helped in me! Somebody pointing up here for me. You go. Point at the murderer. How we... Go. Guys, I think I might have heard the murderer. Who's doing that? I'm just gonna hide right here, guys. Guys, okay. I'm over here just hiding. Who was that? He just spawned. He might be the murderer. So, guys, let's be scared. Go, 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 go. Oh, I want to punch him and punch him. Oh, I got a go. I got a gold. Can I punch him? I hear hitting with the sword. Guys, I'm so scared. Oh. Okay, guys. Oh, time set 0. Time set 0. Oh, lightning! Oh, explosions happening. Oh, somebody died. I'm still alive. Here's the murderer! Found the murderer! I think the murderer's chasing me. Okay, guys. Was that, guys, comment down below. Was that bow person that had the bow? Was he the murderer? We do not know.
Oh, sorry to saying that the guy who has the bow is the detective.
Okay, guys, stop. 1 second, guys. Anthony, go. Guys, Anthony was not there. Anthony Minecraft was not there. He was not there. Right?
Yeah, he was there.
No, right, guys, he was. Minecraft was not here. I win! You win! Oh, I win! Okay, do another one. Okay. You just stabbed it. What is that? Oh, ooh. I won it for me. I won.
Okay, guys, so it'll be 1 second. Firecraft is back.
Hi, guys.
So, Fireboy, he is going to be.
Fireboy's just gonna talk for a bit. I'm just helping Anthony with his thing. So, bye. My
much.
next video, I'm gonna be there, and Anthony's not. And next video after that, Anthony's gonna be there without me. Okay?
Okay, guys. So what's gonna happen now is I fell out the map. I fell out the map. Wow. I fell out the map. All right. Look at that. So many people fell out the map. Why?
Okay, guys, he's gone. Anthony, get it. Anthony's gone. Anthony, help. Anthony, help me. Help. Oh, guys, Anthony's gone for right now. Like, bye. Oh, it's starting now. Oh no, run, run. The killer. Run, run. Anthony, is there any jump? Oh, there is jumping. Run, jump! Oh. What says? Yes. Jump, jump, jump! Turn! Oh, that hurt, dude. I fell off. Oh, guys. Guys, I think I heard something. Oh, guys, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna punch this dude even though he's not the player. Wait, 1 second. What's your name again? 1 second, guys. 1 second. Thanks, guys. And some fire. Hi, guys. Okay, guys. Anthony, I'm just gonna be here until Anthony gets over here. He's just gone. Anthony, what's my name? Okay, guys. I'm gonna keep on playing because Anthony's not here, and he's not gonna be here until 11 o'clock. So let's do this. Okay. And wait 1 second. Well, never mind, guys. Nothing. Oh, it started. It started. Jump. Oh! I got the phone! I'm the detective! Anthony, I'm the detective! Anthony, I'm the detective! Oh. I was a detective and I killed the detective. I was a detective and I killed a human being with a gun in that one. Anthony, I was a detective and then I killed someone with a human being. Now I'm just gonna follow. I'm gonna see how.
Okay, guys, Firecraft is here. Firecraft is back.
Guys, Firecraft is not here.
Firecraft is here.
Yeah, guys, Firecraft is here.
Okay, guys, we're gonna leave the video here. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe.
Thumbs up. We'll do another one.
Bye.
Bye.